Now, types of maps. On the basis of purpose, maps can be classified as: first, wall map; second, political map; third, physical map; fourth, thematic map; fifth, topographic map; fifth, navigational maps. First, wall map. These maps are meant to represent large area that could be viewed at a glance, at a view. They represent natural and man-made features. They are used for display purpose in classroom and museum. This type of map we can see in our classrooms and the museum. Political map. It contains information about the boundaries of the countries, state, capital, cities and the district. This is very important map for the students because it shows the boundary of the countries. Now, physical map. It shows the detailed picture of various landforms like mountains, plains, river, valley, plateaus, lakes, etc. Means the physical map shows the physical features of a area and shows the mountains of that area, plains of that area, rivers, valley, plateaus and lakes, etc. Second, thematic map. Thematic maps, it contains information about the specific features like climate of a particular area and the distribution of minerals like crop, soils, population of that particular area. Now the topographical map, it is a representation of natural and man-made features like local buildings, water bodies, roads, railway tracks, etc. It is also known as contour maps. Topographical maps also known as contour map. Navigational map, it is used by sailor and pilots. The navigational maps are used by the sailors and the pilots. Now, the importance of map. Maps are important for various reasons. Maps are used for a variety of purposes. Students and teachers gain knowledge and accurate information about places from maps. Navigators use them to find the direction of their destination, and town use them for town planning. Maps are very useful and we all know that maps are used in variety of purposes. Students and teachers also use them to gain the knowledge and accurate information of a place over the map from the map, and navigators who want to find the directions can find the direction with the help of maps, and town planners use them for the planning of the town. Maps are easy to carry and are therefore especially helpful for travelers. Maps are very easy to carry and therefore it is very helpful for the traveler to carry the maps. Map makes use of different signs, symbols and color to provide distinct information that distinct informations. This ensure that information is presented in a clear and concise manner with minimal scope for misinterpretation without any hindrance. Elements of a map helps us to read and understand the map better. There are some basic elements which are necessary for a map, like title. It is the subject of a map. It tells us what the map is about. Now, direction, cardinal points. Direction is an essential component of map study. Direction is a very important component of map study. Without direction, one can never reach one's destination. Without direction, one never reach its destination. Direction is expressed in relation to a given point. For example, Chennai is toward the south of the Kolkata. So to reach Kolkata, we have to go to south direction from Chennai. There are four directions which are commonly used as four cardinal points like east, west, now north and south. The cardinal points are further divided into four intermediate directions. These are northwest represent NW, northeast represent NE, southwest represent SW and southeast represented by SE. Importance of direction. With the help of directions, we can study the phenomenon of celestial body in the sky. We know that our earth rotates from west to east on its axis. We also know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That sun rises from the east and sets in the west. With the help of these directions, we can find our destination on the maps. With the help of direction, we can easily find the destination on the map. The Navy, Air Force and the Army of our country work on the basis of direction. Direction are important for the student to study the map of a country or a town or a city. Finding directions. The most popular method of finding directions is a magnetic compass. With the help of magnetic compass, we can easily find the direction. It contains a magnetic needle. The needle always pointed to the north. Another way to finding direction is the pole star or the north star. With the help of pole star or the north star, we can find the north direction, and we can find with the help of north direction all the other direction. So that's all for today, students. We we discuss the scale and meaning and uses and other topics in our next class. Till then, read the rest chapter and the previous one. If you have any problem, you can message me. Thank you, class.